Hey David, just wanted to make this quick video for you. As soon as you've upgraded to the GalaGo subscription, where you have that scheduling feature where you can now set the time for your content, I want to show you how you can do this very easily. So first thing first is I want you to go over to the playlist section. Once you're inside of your account, everything is created, you're signed in. Here I have a playlist. It's called July. I'm just going to make sure right here, I'm going to click it, make sure that the content for tomorrow's in here. This is going to be for this screen. Remember, it's a 2-screen setup. So here we have that welcome sign and seating chart. I'm going to go ahead and just set the times for the welcome and the seating chart right here. I sent you over the times as well, so you can go ahead and program that. So here we're going to set that welcome sign to 5 p.m. on the dot, and just sometimes it kind of shifts under the piece of content. So just be aware of that. Make sure you're clicking the right piece of content when you choose the time. So we've set that welcome sign for 5 p.m. and now we're going to do the seating chart for 6:30 p.m. just like so. And now we have to add the welcome sign one more time. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let's add that welcome sign. It's already highlighted in yellow, so don't worry. Just tap it one more time. Tap that welcome sign one more time, and now it's added to the timeline. As you can see, we have 2 of them, and we're just going to set the timer for the last welcome sign here. And it's going to be 8 o'clock p.m., and it's going to play throughout the time that you have it powered on. So anytime you want to shut it off, which is 10 p.m., that's the time that the event will end. That's when the content will stop playing. And once you get there to the event, you just hit play on display button, and there you go. It's going to look something just like this. This first setup for this first screen, it's going to look just like so. And something important, you want to lock the screen here at the bottom. Just touch it, right? And now anyone can go ahead and touch the screen whenever they want, and it doesn't interrupt the programming session. And if you want to unlock it, get that access right back top left, just like so. And you also have the option to manually move some of the content at any time just by using these buttons down here in the toolbar, left and right. Okay. And now what we're going to do is just lock that one last time. Okay. Perfect. And now this is the content setup for this screen. And now for the next screen, which would be the screen next to it, it would just be the video slideshow, which would be pretty easy to handle because we don't have to add any other sort of content. So let's go ahead and just delete these and pretend we're on the next screen, right? And we're just going to go ahead and tap that. And there you go. You have that video slideshow content inside of that playlist. Okay, just like so. And this is going to be playing from 5 p.m. all the way until you shut it off. That's why it doesn't need an end time, because it ends when you shut it off. So that's perfect. Just like that. All right, and we're going to lock this as well, pretending that we have 2 screens in this hypothetical situation here. So I'm just going to unlock it. So this about wraps it up for tomorrow. So let me know what it looks like on your end when you've set this up on both screens. Just record a quick video for me and just send that over. It doesn't have to be on a schedule program or anything, just so I can see how the content looks. And also one last thing that I need you to do, very important, the Magic Player app, we need to uninstall it. It's been causing problems lately. This is the MX player, but I just want you to locate that Magic Player app. It is blue. It also kind of looks like this. And just hold the button where it says app info and go to uninstall. We want to uninstall that app as soon as possible. It's causing some problems on some devices. So if you can, please do that as soon as possible. And if you have any questions at all, always feel free to text or give me a call. Thank you so much, David.